정말 줄리 tene Niminga Tashilundu Assistant Professor Sociology Jim College le tene University of Ladakh se tene first batch tene mixale tene first semester sociology student ngai class na welcome ngatang chungma gijino tene butkani jak mangpik tang phala ngatang Ladakh kangma tene lockdown eteno tene chief lockdown eteno zakani gimchan bangi ja chungma lagi jino songpa tene e video tene nge tene first class tene nge ja chungma la tene e video gite e first class panneng che singe standujin ngare badak tene nge ja chungma e kana phantok so yongado songpa chik tene tene goma tangi nge ja chungma la tene sociology pat chungma la tene e syllabus pungi ja chungma nge introduction samara ta janta e syllabus po ngatang chungma ngala groupina discuss justin groupina already the cartoon la tene internet access jo cartoon tene groupina is whatsapp group in tene google classic nge ja active yot khong mangchat pa gyujoto innang tene cartoon kaunla patamet ya ta famsupa ngeja top stem dog nit khong te sangmai pia chaik singe I syllabus po nge introduction samar kale sompa tene syllabus inanga ngata unit jiot kya tene unit jiu nangku tene maximum 4 to 5 topics jot kya te phengi ta silangi nge ja thanga silin unit 1 po tene ngata nature and scope of sociology tene unit 2 po emergence of sociology French Revolution Enlightenment Industrial Revolution te third po kina scope of sociology fourth po kina relationship of sociology with other social science anthropology history economics and psychology then that's all a second unit po ngata sociological perspective kabina tene topic sumit first po functional perspective second po conflict perspective then a third po interactionist perspective then a third po basic concepts kabina number 1 society community institution and association then a unit then a 2 subunit 2 social group primary secondary and reference group then that's all 3 norms and value then a fourth po status role then that's all a fourth unit po social processes kavina topic is then a first topic for socialization second topic for social change third topic for social conflict fourth topic for social control then a syllabus for the first time ngata Ladakh kuri faculty on his design just then that's all then first syllabus introduced just then is a first batch kaone silche sompa then kale then e lecture bina especially nge e bo nge ja during topic pote uje se question ki halale ngata chi darenga ngal la jera chokla chi topic chik ngata silche jinna te topic goma context pa ho jis ma khachane halale so pa chik tininga ta sociology silte sociology nge sambena mangpoje first time silte indo yang mangpoje nge ja mangpoje ngal la silte do 11 nang 12 standard ka jani silte do maranga te gyujot mangchat ger gyapna 70% sospo ger gyapna dunchu sospa sociology gyus metto halale sociology je kan bu gumarang sorte indo yang nge jara acho no itena sola jawong oshisi kanda the sorting is an Nintendo tema gala no nenches pong tining ngasang nganlang tena sola Nintendo so pachik tene gomarang sociology u ngeza thangna tene teo sociology subject puchino ko tene what is sociology je khani te topic pikar dinga teo discuss chise koshish ne ale kazugni darengan la zera chogla tene topic chik ya subject chik teo direct tene nangku po content po sili sankan la khachan po teo no ki subject po kono po kazu yong ski halale sociology je khan po khorang chinok teo halale teo azuk choches khachan tene ka thun halale ka student la student muni bilkul idring sopa sociology masila yotna ngete uzen ki ngeja chama tene kaun siltang yot halalis ta kaun siltang yodo ya maning chi gyujoto kaun bilkul masila yodo tene please tene ngata 11 nang 12 ti NCERT book jot yakte un silazat yang silazat silte kan yang sker silazat chi bezen ngeja te kana conceptual clarity yon chan pele song pachik ta ma time mang po minen ngeja time mang po minen time mang po nenna ngeja board skyo da do tefia nge ma short form ina ma cham singen nang nyun chuste ngeja sachi si koshishin yale so pachik tene what is sociology halale ngata sociology chino mi mang positive chin halale teu chin ki sociology is a study of society sociology is a study of society kabus thikino mar mimang poji teo inna zo zer tong chinele inna zo hamago inna zo ngata yang chichi khachi zerte sorte tinna zerano tinna zola khachiga inna zo bugre ka to khatut na silte ngeja teo chora do yale son pachik teo hozingye zeche se tonta poteo in ki sociology is a study of society zera chinyampo you sorzo ma simple jig sorchinale sorzo ma lamu how chistin sorchinale then a second question bungata tn chig what do sociology is a study of society then sociology kerna society study chochesi subject chigino halale then the next question bo ngata what do you mean by society zera chinyampo kamiunla understanding met kamiunla sociology scholar check depths po hagoste met ya conceptual clarity met ya is subject nanyam po bilkul familiarity met teunis mangcha peteo teun take a confusion opale second question ti achnyam po what do you mean by society zera chinyam po take a confusion opale just pachik ika important khachang me sang khachang po ika chan opale chi khachang chan ozena te demo choose the how chukjes halale hachi go chukchezina sociology study about societies era chinyampo inna zo te ngata inna zo sila zola masila te ka samba tongches mama poji kya khalale what do you mean by society chinda ta chino society zera chinyampo ngata chichok zera na te elaborate cho zera chinyampo yami ma poji zerches thobang no yang sar chano sompa te ta oti ka samba tongches chichok spu chino ta chiot kyaptena study juju te sangmes kola sambadang ches halale ta teo tes kola sambadang ches halale ta sociology je khan po gomarang ketena ngata a subject po kerena gomarang introduce features kelzena agascom teachers kale agascom po sinozena French philosopher jin kya ya French sociologist zerano he is also considered as a father of sociology then ko introduce kya sociology ze khani words po halale jespachik ta mimang positive hago do halale ngata mimang positive hago chisi probability no ki tene agas comti sanskan la sociology met kya ze teo samba yong chesi no obviously teo ngata sambena yong chesi no halale jespachik agas comti sanskan la sociology met kya zere na mimang positive met kya ze tan pele mimang poji metyak zara no nge sambena august committee sang lang sociology yoten magar sociology ke na subject isule meta skyo dale august committee sang la sociologist mama ponskya ma khong skena sociology discipline bo koranga tai introduce macho no khalale then discipline jinga ta introduce chochesipia we need a specific methodology ata tena sirka jigat ata subject introduce chochesi petena sirka jigat te sirkao shngal la metkap inna zuwa sociology inna zuwa yotkak ma scattered dot khalal tene agas coms ngal lam topo ata philosopher nang sociologist na mangpo ata yotte no for instance ngata John Locke, Rousseau, Bentham zera chos tene political zena ya political scientists zena ya ngata sociologists zena chizenang digan khonga yale jespachik teo yote no magar teo sociology khorang po discipline sulla ngata introduce just the met point halale met pasang na tene it was the August comet was the first who introduced those universally accepted laws halale sociology na te ngata te rules na regulation tena chola methodologies kun ko introduce ke halale tene nyampo khete trambo use introduce ke each of the area of study bangata sociology ranges sociology halale kavena tram ni jotya tram ngata 6 nis 6 nis thute te words pugirano sociology range halale chino te chino zena socio no logi range halale french na socio tenna zerano ko chibezena ko french na zaskya especially french na tenna silano socio chipo logi range halale socio tontak pochino zena society logi tontak pochino zena study especially ta chizon study of society halale study of society sociology study of society the sociology kerena society sociology kerena society study chochesi subject chigino especially nama clear kale ta daringa ta jekhani this pere ka chatna the what do you mean by society chinokta the sociology the like ngata te hago ki sociology kerena society study chano halale the society chinok jekhani te te imaginative skill pongatena teo inculcate chagos palale nam chupateo ngata te teo imagine choche se te skills na te faculty ngata na develop mi chate te chupangata society hagojis mano te chupangata sociology bilkuli hagojis mano so pachik ta mi mang positive zano what do you mean by society zera chinyampo and mi mang positive zara no ki society is a group of people zano halale especially society is a group of people then so in society is a group of people magar ta ngata ina zo sta na aka mi phalan jiduk so kyak alale then chigna chi spera da met kyak chigna chi shesa met kyak chigna chi sta met kyak then chigna chi na te izu pocha met kyak ta teo group of teo society zerna teo society ngata zer nyen chi no zerna te group of people to qualify so society ze cheze pe zena nisamena men te mano halale te group group of people magar society mano chief mano zera chik teni chief as a group of people which interact each other nam chupate group of people but chikna chike shes mishes nam chupate group of people po nanko specific pattern of social relationship met nam chupate group of people po standardized norms and values share micho nam chupate group of people po culture jingata share micho tete chupate group of people pangata society zer nyana man halale so pachikta society sociology is a study of society. And what do you mean by society? Society is a group of people which share certain pattern of social interaction, which share social relationship, which shares certain values and norms. Teo yona tene te bangata society is palale. Tata te ka ngata ina zo lax na ngata ina zo imagine just ya lax na ngata example ta na tene gaungji na start na ya rang na te ka start na ngata family like first social units of the smallest social units of ngata family to qualify chano halale tene family chino na family is a group of people, right? Then family nanko or a specific pattern of social relationship with family nanko tene te social interaction with tene social relationship with standardized norms and values with tena cholata family tene testing na ta community tene village tene city tene town tene country and so on and so forth. This particular tene o te chosla society nanko ga society te ki taksanga ta sociologist with ka Michael Verzen kwe tene cognitive define society is a web of social relationship. Tontak po tenis chichoks po kerena o te network of social relationship in there halale. Kavena srip group po yoche po chik po ngata society zera manok nam chupate na relationship po met nam chupate na te relationship te network relationship and network chain pin nangku gamiyo tete chupangata ka group changata chisa shop society zer chesma no halale dospachik ta sociology is a study of society halale dospachik ta ngata te wangzar nya chino sociology study of that network of social relationship halale tate relationship hote chikna chika del dux po yang ata ina jo culture zera no tena jo norms values tradition custom zera ngata ma pose complex izuk shot kya halale network chot network of relationship chot te network of relationship ho ngata ma complex gyuren chano halale जैसे कि ngal na zara chawla gaung jiknang pura national level international level tene global chupangte network of relationship yo kya khalale ta o teo sociologist o the network eskola silches pono khalale tanga ta teo how goes namga ta teo define chatna ki sociology study about society ta namga ta society imagine chatna te complex system of social relationship ngata how chuse te imagine chuse te yezu poyong go salale ngata teo how goes despachik ta dring ngata teo nga reba dak ne ja changma teo how goes teo do ta what do you mean by sociology is sociology study of society teo equally more complex concept nam ngata teo demo chuse ngata how go chuse position na more complex halale tene te relationship nang ko change ono tene te change nang continuity nang change nang mo topic mama po cha ka ngata kule silche tene diring bunga nge ja inne ka nge stop chu chi stop chin tene nge ja changma teo nge yuan ki 11th standard day tene NCET books jiyo kyak 11th in English 12th in English kyak te wo sila ja juju tukje che jule